Jane?
No, you want to go with Chris, don't you?
Well, I really ought to help Jane.
No, I can help Jane. You go with Chris and Iwan.
Coba dengarkan lagi salah satu dari ungkapan tadi.
You ought to have lunch.
Ungkapan itu terdiri dari ought, diikuti oleh kata to dan kata kerjanya.
Ought to have. Ought to have lunch. Ought to get. Ought to get more exercise. Ought to help. Ought to help Jane.
Sekarang, coba saudara ulangi contoh-contoh berikut. Siap?
You ought to have lunch. You ought to get more exercise.
You ought to help Jane.
Jadi, Chris, Iwan, dan Lucia telah turun dari mobil dan berjalan-jalan sebelum makan siang. Lucia bertanya-tanya dalam hatinya, apakah Chris akan menjadi suami yang baik?
Don is a good husband, isn't he?
Yes, I suppose so. Why?
Because he's helping his wife. He's helping Jane to prepare lunch. Husbands ought to help their wives.
I agree.
Really? Do you agree?
Of course I do.
How should they help their wives?
Well, husbands ought to clean the house and they ought to wash the dishes.
Very interesting. And?
And they ought to cook meals sometimes.
Do you agree, Iwan?
Oh, yes. And they ought to be kind and polite and helpful to their wives.
Very nice. Chris, can you cook?
Well, not exactly. I can make a cup of tea.
That's not very difficult.
Oh, stop laughing, Iwan. You ought to support me.
Artinya, kamu seharusnya memihak saya.
You ought to support me, Iwan.
You ought to learn to cook.
And do you help your mother in the house, Chris?
Well, sometimes. I sometimes sweep the floor in my bedroom.
That's not much. What about the other floors in the house?
Well, I have to study.
You ought to be like Don. He always helps Jane.
Well, he's married.
Well, most people get married, don't they?
Of course.
Well, you ought to learn to cook.
Well, what about Iwan? You ought to ask Iwan some questions.
Barangkali Lucia ingin nikah dengan Chris di masa yang akan datang. Sekarang coba saudara ucapkan beberapa contoh lagi sesudah Lucia.
Husbands ought to help their wives. Chris ought to learn to cook. Iwan ought to support Chris. Chris ought to be like Don. Chris ought to clean the house.
Perhaps we ought to go back to Don and Jane.
Good idea. Let's go back.
Saudara pendengar, saat ini teman-teman kita sedang makan siang sambil berpiknik di atas sebuah bukit dari mana terlihat lautan.
This is lovely. We ought to come here more often.
Oh, this chicken's delicious. Why don't you have some more, Iwan?
No, thanks, Chris. I've had enough.
Let's have something to drink. We've got some cold beer here and some fruit juice. Lucia?
I'd rather have some tea.
Yes, we've got some tea. Oh, It's in the car. What about getting it out, Chris?
Sure, right away.
You'd better be quick.
Why?
Chris is practicing to be a good husband. He's going to learn to cook, and he's going to help his mother to clean the house.
Oh, let's not exaggerate, Iwan. I think I'd rather stay a bachelor.
Artinya, saya lebih senang tetap membujang. Jadi, Iwan sedang menggoda Chris tentang apa yang telah dikatakan oleh Chris dan Lucia mengenai seorang suami yang baik. Kemudian Jane mulai mengeritik karena Chris tidak dapat masak.
Maybe I'll stay a bachelor.
Well, bachelors have to eat too, you know. You ought to learn to cook.
Oh, when I finish my course, I'll learn to cook.
Why don't you ask Mum? She'll teach you. Or Dad. He can cook.
Why don't we talk about something else?
Well, you ought to learn to cook, Chris. It's not just a job for women, you know. I had to learn, and Helen had to learn. And you can't even make a cup of tea.
I can make a cup of tea.
Let's not argue. Where's Iwan? Oh, there he is. What are you doing, Iwan?
I'm getting my camera. I'm going to take a photograph.
Hang on. I'd better comb my hair. Just a minute, Iwan.
Okay. Lucia, why don't you sit closer to Chris? More. Closer. You shouldn't be shy.
Okay, Iwan.
Don, can you stand closer to Jane? Yes. Very nice. Ready, Lucia and Chris? Two nice couples.
Dua pasangan yang cocok, Don dan Jane, Lucia dan Chris.
Very nice.
Now, what about a picture with you and Chris, Iwan? I'll take it. Just stand over here. Very good.
Saudara pendengar, sekarang sudah saatnya kami minta diri. Tetapi jangan lupa membaca bagian yang berjudul After the Broadcast dari siaran tadi, dan bacalah juga bagian yang berjudul Before the Broadcast dari pelajaran nomor 90. Dan sekarang, goodbye listeners.